Hey guys, Lacey here. So I am going to use my robot lawnmower to get all this done up. I have already done this section over here, and now I'm going to work on this section right here. So I thought I'd show y'all how easy it is. You just got to push on. Oh, here it is. So basically, to push on, it takes about 15 seconds for it to beat back at you. Once it does that, then you just press this one and then on again. There, now it's ready. Here we go. Actually, auto mow, not the other one. There it goes. It'll be done in just a few minutes. And that's a wrap for the weekend. Actually, it takes about an hour, but worth it all the same. Y'all take care. Have a great weekend. Peace.